Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today, we're going to make some Kaiser rolls. Alright, no egg, no dairy. That means simple bread, water, honey, yeast, flour. Make a muck, let it set for a while, and then make bread as normal. Add flour, maybe a little sugar if you want. I did. And then put it out. I knead by fingers because the finger method, finger fold, finger fold, finger fold, finger fold. It gets the gluten going, makes it real stretchy fast. Anyways, these are going to be 9-ounce rolls. And then you roll them up into shape, ish, like 20 inches. And then you're going to tie it. And then you're going to come around. I like to pinch them in the center. Look at that beautiful rosette. And then put them in your rings because it's the only way to make them right. And then, of course, oil them and get them ready to rise and go in the oven, 325 for 35 to 40 minutes.